So I said this before on one of the previous videos, but one of the things I've never done to this car was actually change the spark plugs. Laser Iridium NGK. Probably one of the best ones you can get for this car. I got them off of K-Series Pro Sport. Let me go like that. There you go. KSeriesParts.com, I think that's what it's called. And they arrived within like about a week. So Hector's actually going to be helping me do this because, to be honest, this is the first time I'm changing spark plugs. So we gonna learn today. First thing we need to do is take these things off right here. For right now, I'm just gonna pop the hood. Hey, Bubba. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Got them.
Got them. Got them.
Wanna go, Uncle Hector? Just don't break it. Please?
I'm trying.
Just don't break it. You take yours off all the time.
They're not there.
Oh, yeah.
So I don't have to worry about it. I think we were taking shit out of it.
I think you did.
No ribbon impact. I love that video you guys posted on the Instagram.
It's so cute. It got blocked.
Really?
Yeah. But you can still see it, so I'm like, I'm gonna leave it up.
Haha, I got it!
Why are windshield wipers so hard to take off?
Because they're not supposed to come off.
Ora. I was facing the
I
floor.
studied at YouTube ITT Tech. Just letting you know.
You have an AC on YouTube?
So as you guys saw, bolt right here, bolt right there, and a bolt right there. You said 10 and 12?
10 and 12.
So 10, 10, 12, and 12. Next step is Hector.
The cover.
The cover. How do you do this?
Just
It's cold, by the way. Damn, that's it?
that's it.
All right.
Well, there should be another two that go there and there, but it is.
They're not there right now. I don't know, but I am. I mean, he's probably hungry too.
I'm hungry too.
Hurry up, we need to go to the fair.
Yeah, so what I like to do is just pretty much just take it off one by one. Boom. Call it a day.
That's pretty much it, right?
That's it.
Dude, that car didn't like hybrid for the win, dog.
Bro, I drove a one of the Leafs, the new Leafs at work,
Yeah, I saw that.
and I got on it, and that's just pretty quick.
Is it?
Yeah.
All electrical, dude.
Electric, yeah.
You guys wanna know something funny? I don't think there's ever been one single install video where we didn't have to go to O'Reilly's to buy a part. We just came from O'Reilly's to go buy a deep sockets, and now we're gonna go back home and open them, and then we'll get back to the install video. What'd you say?
I said, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
That's fucked up, man. Yay.
Bam.
Last one to take out. Palo. All right, now what?
Now,
Take out the old ones. So it's a pretty simple procedure. You just gotta take off a lot of stuff, huh?
yeah, especially on these 8th gens and 9th gens, they're a pain in the ass.
Dude, I heard that doing a boxer engine is worse because they're on the sides.
Oh, I bet.
Like, at least that's what people were telling me.
I don't envy Victor on that.
All right, let me know. Is my spark plug good or bad?
It's actually not that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay, let me focus on that. Huh. Oh shit.
It's a little fouled, but
That's one of them. Let's look at the other ones.
yeah, it's one of the 4.
So all of this is just literally plug and play? Like it's ready to go?
Yeah, pretty much. What you can do is check the gap.
Aren't I supposed to? I was reading about that.
Yeah, they usually come pre-gapped.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't know if you have a gapper. a spark plug gapper.
No, I don't.
And obviously you don't want to over torque this shit up. Spark plug.
Now would you gotta do that 3 more times?
That's about it, yeah.
For sure. Hey, what are these?
Those are your ignition coils.
Huh. What are these?
That's the harness for the ignition coils.
Where's my fuel rail?
Under here.
It's under there, okay. They're like, what's this, Dad? Dad, what does this do? Dad, what does this do?
What's this for?
Don't worry about it, son. Okay.
When you're older, you'll know.
Everything's back on, guys. So to put everything back on, you're pretty much gonna do it in reverse order. Once all that is on, we're gonna bolt on some things real quick, and we're pretty much gonna turn the car on after that. That's pretty much it. What do you guys think of a red valve cover? Let me know on that. I know you do. But let me know about what you guys think about red valve cover. That'd be pretty sick to do. Get some engine dress up, somewhat. Marty? Well, guys, that's gonna be it. We're gonna go ahead and just put everything back on, and I think we're just gonna call that a day. I mean, 3 videos for 1 week for you guys.
Damn, you guys are spoiled.
You guys are spoiled, right? We're gonna go to the Ventura County Fair. If you guys know that, if you guys know about the Ventura County Fair, it comes like August 1st through August 12th. We're gonna go hit that up today. We might go hit it up again sometime next week. I don't know yet. So I might be there again next Monday and next Tuesday. We'll see what's up. If I see you guys there, that'd be great. If not, then oh well. I'll catch you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.